In this video, we will discuss the Rodeo strategy for price chart turns. This strategy is applicable for fixed time and Forex trading. It is effective for 1+ minute time frames. The strategy is based on a combination of MACD and stochastic indicators with Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, which help to identify chart reversals. To make a trade, we need to identify 3 signals. First, the current trend is ending and a candlestick of the opposite color appears. Second, either the stochastic indicator leaves the oversold zone and hits the 20% level, or it leaves the overbought zone and hits the 80% level. Third, the MACD indicator crosses the zero line. Let's try our strategy in practice. In this example, we will open a chart for Euro-US dollar currency pair in fixed time mode and set chart time frame to 1 minute. Let's now switch to the indicator section and select the Trading Strategies tab. We will activate the Rodeo strategy. The Japanese candlesticks are replaced with Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. The MACD and stochastic indicators have appeared below the price chart. To open a down trade, wait for 3 signals. A red candlestick appears after a series of green ones. Stochastic indicator leaves the overbought zone and falls below 80. The MACD indicator moves below the zero line. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade after the second point appears. Our forecast was correct. To open an uptrade, again wait for 3 signals. A green candlestick appears after a series of red ones. Stochastic indicator leaves the oversold zone and rises above 20. MACD indicator moves above zero line. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. Use stop loss and take profit orders when trading with Rodeo strategy in Forex mode to adjust your trades more accurately. We recommend that the stop loss is set to 50% of the trade amount, while the take profit is set to 150% of the trade amount. Trade on the Olymp trade platform using strategies to get maximum results.